Well, welcome back, friends. On today's episode, we're trying to, here's a better view of it. We're trying to load that wagon out of that bin. Had a little breakdown, so we get to fix the power sweep. The motor went out on it. So I'm going to show you what that is. Because basically what happens in this setup is the grain comes out this auger, into this auger, the tractor runs the big one, up into the wagon or the truck. Well, inside here, once the pile gets down so low, it quits flowing into that center. There's also a spot right there. So you put this thing in, which is a power sweep, and it goes all the way out the edge, has a little wheel out here. And once you put that motor on, it starts eating into this pile. So this thing starts going in, pulling the grain to the center. Well, that all stopped because our motor died. So we get to crawl in there and fix that this morning so we can finish loading this wagon. It's the weekend, so the elevator's closed. We gotta load that wagon, hook it up, put it in the barn because it's supposed to rain in the day. So we get to climb in this bin. Oh, and your camera might move here in a minute because the beans are moving as you touch them. Doesn't take much for them to start rolling. And there's a little bit of an echo, so I'm sorry. But it doesn't take much for them to start moving. So you might end up sliding down towards me here in a minute. I just wanted to show you how this mounts on there. Put the belt on. Yeah, this is going to run real well for a while. All right, well, we got that. Now we just got to do some wiring. And we got it hooked up. Let's crawl back out of here. See, there's that other hole. And that way the door's open. Let's grab the plug. All this wire. Definitely don't want to have this laying in there. Definitely want it behind the auger because it'll wrap it up. I probably should be hanging it up too. Here's the moment of truth. Hopefully you can see something. Here's the moment of... There it is. Hopefully you can see that it's moving. That's what it does. Right there. Squeeze it out right there. It should come out right there. Now, there we go. Now I gotta climb back in here. You gotta kick it over, help speed this up. Doesn't that look like fun? Still coming out. Going in there. That wheel was better. It would push itself. But it's obviously not very good. Needs to be replaced. I don't mind kicking it. I just don't want to shovel all this stuff. We gotta keep an eye on the wagon. Make sure it doesn't get full on us. Sorry, I know it's getting kind of out of focus. Well, I'll come back here. I'll come back once we get the wagon loaded, kind of show you what it looks like, but that's it. You see the pile sliding down, going to the center. I don't have it opened all the way because I don't want to plug it.